Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates of 14th and 15th November. Number 1. Italy's Black Shark Torpedoes for Kalvari Class Submarines. The Indian Navy is evaluating Italy's Black Shark Torpedo as a potential solution for its Kalvari Class submarines, marking a re-emergence of this advanced heavyweight torpedo in India's defense considerations. With a requirement for 48 new torpedoes, the Navy is conducting assessments and exploring options as several international contenders, including companies from Germany and France, withdrew from the contract. Notably, the interest in the Black Shark comes after the Italian company, which was previously blacklisted, has now re-entered the fray. Black Shark Torpedo was initially evaluated for the Indian Navy in 2008 when it emerged as a leading candidate to fulfill a demand for 98 torpedoes. Next. Installing software-defined radios on MH-60R Seahawks. The Indian Navy has made significant strides in indigenization by deciding to install indigenously developed software-defined radios, that is SDRs, on all the aerial platforms. Among the first platform to benefit from the upgrade are the Navy's MH-60R Seahawk helicopters, also known as Romeos. This development marks a leap in the Navy's efforts to enhance encrypted communication capabilities across its fleets. The SDRs have been co-developed by the Indian Navy in collaboration with BEL. They are already deployed on the Navy's surface ships, showcasing their reliability and performance. Next. Indian Army seeks new generation anti-tank guided missile. The Indian Army has issued a request for information to procure a new generation anti-tank guided missile system. This move signifies India's commitment to enhancing its military capabilities and addressing evolving threats in the region. The new generation ATGM is designed to address the increasing threat posed by modern armored vehicles, including the main battle tanks. By acquiring this advanced weapon system, the Indian Army aims to maintain a decisive edge over potential adversaries. Next, India to issue RFP for Maritime Surveillance Airbus C295 aircraft. The Indian Ministry of Defence is poised to issue a request for proposal for the acquisition of 15 maritime variants of the Airbus C295 aircraft. This move comes after the Defence Acquisition Council granted its approval earlier this year. The Indian Navy and Coast Guard are set to benefit from this acquisition, with the Navy receiving 9 aircraft configured for medium-range maritime reconnaissance and the Coast Guard acquiring 6 multi-mission maritime aircraft. Next, L&T nears repeat order for 100K 9 Vajra self-propelled Howitzers. L&T is on the verge of securing a significant repeat order for 100K 9 Vajra self-propelled howitzer guns. This advanced artillery system, developed in collaboration with South Korean defense giant Hanwha Defense, has proven its capabilities in the Indian Army. Next, Su-75 Checkmate and India's AMCA, a report. Russia's United Aircraft Corporation recently revealed updates on its 5th generation stealth fighter, the Su-75 Checkmate, or light tactical aircraft, at a recent presentation. This includes news of the increased maximum takeoff weight of 26 tons, similar to India's Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft AMCA program, and plans to offer an upgraded AL-51 FI engine, a shift from the previously offered AL-41. This announcement comes as UAC seeks to generate interest from potential international customers, including India. Next, Oxford University faces backlash over Kashmir Debate. The Oxford Union's decision to host a debate on the contentious issue of Kashmir independence has sparked widespread condemnation in India. Security experts and analysts have called on the Indian government to take stern action against the prestigious university. The Oxford Union, a debating society at Oxford University, announced on Instagram that it would host a debate on November 14th titled "This House Believes in the Independent State of Kashmir." This move has been seen as a blatant interference in India's internal affairs and a disregard for its sovereignty. Next, JFD expands long-term partnership with Indian Navy. JFD, part of James Fisher and Sons PIC, is proud to announce a significant expansion of its partnership with the Indian Defence Forces through a new contract aimed at strengthening the Indian Navy's underwater capability. Thank you.